Installing Android Studio. So the first step you need to do is go to Google and write install Android Studio. You will get the following links. Click on this link and then you will land to this page, install Android Studio. For the different platform, they are given different steps how to install it. So the platforms are Windows, Mac and Linux. Go upside, click on this button, then you will land to this page and click on this button to download your Android Studio. Since I am using Linux, I am getting the variant for the Linux. Okay, if you are using Windows, then you will get the link for Windows. So before installing, you must check if your system can support Android Studio. So for this, scroll down. You can see there is one section, system requirement. Since I am using the Linux, I will check the system configuration for Linux. 4 GB is minimum and 8 GB is recommended. I am already using 8 GB of RAM and having the disk space more than 2 GB. So my system is fulfilling all the requirements. So it will going to support Android Studio. If you are using Mac, then check from this, and if you are using Windows, check from this. Go upside, click on this button and install your Android Studio. I have already installed Android, so it's a tar version. Do a right click and click on extract here, then you will see the folder. Go to Android Studio, go inside bin, do a right click, open in terminal. So before running Android Studio, first make sure your system must have Java 1.8. If it is not installed, you must go and install it. To check this, write Java dash version. I am already using Java 1.8, so I can run this. So now what we will going to do, we will going to run this file, shell file. So to run the shell file, you need to write this command. It will going to start our studio, and in the next one I will going to show you how to start developing your application in Android Studio.